In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in 16 minutes. Wix AI Builder Tutorial 2026. We'll start from scratch on Wix and finish with a live site you can share right away. First, head to wix.com. On your dashboard, choose Create New Site. This opens Wix's setup flow. You'll see the option to start chat with the AI assistant or set up without chat. Choose the chat to move faster. When the chat opens, click Help me answer to get guided prompts. Now the assistant will ask a few short questions. Describe what your business is about in 1 or 2 clear sentences. Include keywords your audience might search for, like handmade jewelry or fitness coaching, so the design and copy suggestions fit your niche. Next, enter the name of your website. Keep it brand consistent and easy to read. Then specify what kind of products or services you're selling. Even if you're not selling yet, naming your offerings helps the layout include the right sections. You'll get a site profile summary. Review it carefully to confirm it reflects your brand, audience, and goals. If something looks off, adjust the wording now. When it looks right, end the chat and continue. Click Design Site, and Wix will prepare your workspace. You'll be asked whether to use a template or generate a design. If you want Wix to do more of the creative lifting, you can generate a design with AI. If you want maximum speed and control, pick a template. Let's go with the faster route. Browse templates, click View to preview one you like, and then choose Edit this site to load it in the editor. Inside the editor, click any highlighted area to add your details. Replace placeholder headlines and paragraphs with your own value proposition, services, and contact info. Swap images with visuals that match your brand, and update colors and fonts for consistency. If your template includes a store, rename collections and products to match your offerings. You can fine-tune pricing and inventory later. Save frequently as you go. When the content looks good, click Publish. Wix will save your site and make it live on a free URL. Click Save and Continue, then Done to wrap up the publishing flow. Finally, click View Site to see your website in action and make sure everything looks great on desktop and mobile. That's it. You went from idea to live website using Wix's AI assistant and a quick template workflow. If you want to go further, you can connect a custom domain